Hey fellow Star Citizens, Scrapchat here. In this episode, I'm going to show you why it's important to turn off your engines after you land. I'm running a simple box delivery mission here in the PTU, and one of my pickups was at Bud's Grocery on Uterp. I thought it'd be in and out in a jiff, and completely forgot to turn off the engines before leaving the ship to get the box. Of course, while I was inside, my ship blew away. I saw it stopped about a kilometer from Bud's Grocery, so I hoofed it over. Once I was in visual range, it hit me. I left the engines on. And my 315P was just about 28 meters in the air hovering because I left the engines on. Let this be a lesson to everyone. Always turn off your engines whenever you leave your ship. Scrapchat out.